Hey guys, I'm gonna be opening my Easy Pocket Knife with my dad's Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. I just got this from eBay for $25 plus how much was it shipping? Yeah, like $5 for shipping. And then I'm gonna open it. All right, so as you can see, it's an Uzi. Can't see that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't have much to say about it, but I really like it. Looks like this. Pretty big. Nice and heavy. Stable. Um, Another thing, it's like it's even, right in the middle blade. It's not like touching the sides or anything. Yeah, it's in a normal shape. Yeah, that's all. Okay.